everybody, and welcome. So today we are looking at the USB foot switch, and let's see, it says USB foot switch FS1P, USB foot, and essentially this is just a standard HUD device, human interface device, that you can program. And it says on the back here that it's easy to program. It should show up as a keyboard, and you use software. And I was like, okay. So I'm hoping the software comes in it, because otherwise, shit. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I got this in the mail yesterday. I bought this off of Banggood. I was wanting something to help with my recording of gameplay, because I constantly forget what my buttons are. So if I can set this up, I just have to push the button. So hold on. Okay, good. Software is right here, and there is our switch. Well, we're definitely going to open that up, because I want to see what it's made of, because that's feels fairly nice, I have to say. And ooh, thunder. It's not like, it doesn't feel cheap, even though I only paid like $7 for it. And holy crap, the cable looks long as hell. Anyways, what does... So software is just a standard burned CD. Cool. And, oh, it shows you the foot switch software right there. Interesting. Let me grab a screwdriver. I want to see what's inside this. Button. Okay. So, holy Christ, that is simple. Wow. Okay, that is insane. So I took out a single screw. I can't pick it up. So I took out a single screw on the bottom, which keyed into this rod right here. And all I did was push that rod out of the holes, and that's it. This is... holy shit. That's nothing. Alright, so we have a, not a Hall Effects, an optical sensor. What's on the bottom? And we have a blob chip. And date code is 2011-726. PC Sensors.com, version 6E foot switch. Very interesting. Oh, sorry. I don't know where I was pointing the camera. Well, let me put this back together, and we will jump onto the Mac to see what the software looks like. Hopefully. Hello, and welcome back. Hello. Okay, so one thing I did not think about is I do not have a CD drive on my laptop, since it is a MacBook Air. Actually, since it's just a MacBook, thing now, that they don't have fucking CD drive. So let's open up Text Edit. And new. Okay, so let's see what keyboard button it is. B. B, 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 B. B, 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 B. B, B, B. B, B, B. So yeah. Works. It works for the letter B. Okay, well, I will make an update video to this showing it working with my capture software. But other than that, I mean, this is a very simple program, or simple device, sorry. And the program looks fairly simple also. But anyways, thank you for watching. Actually, let me do this. Delete. Thank you for watching. This camera is quite crap, but I look like a wild man today. Anyways, so thanks for watching, and as always, you'll see me in the next video. Bye!